So in this PayPal tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to link your national bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. So once PayPal is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on Wallets. Where it says Banks and Cards in the middle, go ahead and press on Add New, and then press on Banks. So once you're on this page right here, if you just scroll down a little bit, you can see National Bank of Canada. If you don't see that, you can go to the search bar at the top here and type in National Bank of Canada. It's then going to redirect you to a login screen, which you guys can see right now. So once you're on this screen, you can type in your email ID, your password, and then once that is done, press on Agree and Link to proceed with the linking of your account. So that is how to link your national bank account to your PayPal account here on PayPal. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.